Will workers not be coerced to go back to work? We feel that they've been threatened that if they don't go back to work, they're going to be punished. They're not going to get unemployment, which is not true. We're also here to say that the owner of Tesla, Elon Musk, has basically challenged the state to arrest him for violating the shelter-in-place laws. The fact that he hasn't been arrested tells you that he has contempt for the laws. He thinks he's above the law.
Today, a handful of people showed up to protest the fact that Tesla employees are going back to work at that Fremont plant and possibly risking their health.
Outside Tesla headquarters this afternoon, our KRON 4's Gail Ong was there and joins us now live with details. Gail.
Vicki and Grant, even though Alameda County and Tesla had agreed to reopen this plant to manufacture earlier this week, there's still great concern, as you heard, about workers' safety in regards to COVID-19.
Among the protesters outside Tesla's headquarters Saturday afternoon, a Tesla employee.
I have to say I'm very disappointed in their leadership, very disappointed in Elon Musk for putting profits over the health of his workers.
Carlos Gabriel is a production associate at the Fremont plant. He is concerned about a COVID-19 outbreak in a facility that employs 10,000 people who commute as far as 100 miles away.
I worry for my health. I don't think there's a scenario where this virus cannot be contracted or could be contained within this factory.
Members of the Workers' Solidarity Action Network gathered outside Tesla's factory to voice their concerns about employees returning to work during shelter-in-place orders. After tensions between CEO Elon Musk and Alameda County, the two sides worked out a deal to reopen its factory and get the assembly line rolling.
What is going on here today is a travesty. Workers at auto plants and essential places around the country are being contaminated daily.
Steve Zeltzer traveled from San Francisco.
We're also here to demand that Governor Newsom have Cal OSHA inspectors here.
Zeltzer says Cal OSHA should visit the site to make sure employees are safe from getting sick. A Tesla employee tells me off camera workers' temperatures are taken before they enter the building. They're given masks and hand sanitizer is available throughout the factory. But that is not enough for this group.
There is going to be increased escalation of COVID.
We reached out to Tesla and Cal OSHA about these concerns, but have not yet heard back. Reporting live, Gail Ong, KRON 4 News.
Social distancing in the Fremont factory where more than 10,000 people work.
I'm very disappointed in their leadership, very disappointed in Elon Musk for putting profits over the health of his workers.
Activist groups United Public Workers for Action and Workers' Solidarity Action Network organized this rally outside the Fremont manufacturing plant.
What is going on here today is a travesty.
They want CEO Elon Musk fired, saying he put workers in harm's way when he insisted work resume without providing proper personal protective equipment.
Elon Musk, who's a billionaire, has said that he's above the law. He doesn't have to follow the shelter-in-place law. And he said that you come and arrest me. Well, I say that the government here in Fremont and the government of California should arrest him.
Protesters also called on OSHA to hire more safety inspectors and called for Governor Gavin Newsom to protect California workers.
An injustice against one is an injustice against all.
It has been a contentious time for Tesla. Last Thursday, Musk sent an email to employees telling them limited production would resume, despite Alameda County's shelter in place. Saturday, he threatened to move Tesla out of the Bay Area. Days later, Alameda County health officials approved plans to reopen the plant. But it's reported Musk is still looking at locations in Texas and Oklahoma for a new additional assembly plant.
I think there's obviously a lot of tension between the employees and the management there.
Auto and tech expert Michael Coates said moving the headquarters would be relatively easy, but moving the plant would not.
Putting up a new factory is a big operation. Just adding on the line for the Model 3 at the Fremont plant took well over a year. And so putting a brand new plant from the ground up is a major operation. I don't see that happening for years.
Musk has not commented on today's protest or the protesters' claims. Alyssa Harrington, KTVU, Fox 2 News.